Where's the right?
You're making the calls.
Who wants to res me?
I'm sure.
Guys, who wants to res me?
Guys, stay close so I can make sure I get you.
Target's going left!
Go. Hey, I need you very right side, alright? If I can get you covered, you go very right, alright? Over there? Do what? Over there. Either that bunker or that bunker. Go to that one. Okay. Go. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, here, bunker with the big tree.
Bunker with the tree?
Yeah, bunker with that tree sticking out in the middle.
I go high, you go low. Or you go.
He's
I'm low.
inside that one.
Inside that one? Alright.
Yep.
Just wait for him to pop out.
Hold there, just hold there.
Oh, dang it.
You get him? No?
No. Behind that one right there.
Alright, let's go through this bunker right in front of us.
Right in front of us?
Yeah.
Right.
Ready?
Alright, you watch that bunker. You got it?
Yep.
Watch it. Go. Go. I got one left.
Roger.
You keep right, I got left.
Yep.
Get over here. You good?
One, just right over here on the other side.
Which one?
Over here on the, down there a little bit on the other side of the computer room.
Okay, 2 from me. 2 from this.
Right here, Sam. I got you.
Hey, confirmed kill over here. Hey, I got Zach over there left. Hey, we got one over here left. Danny, we got one left here. Straight to my left. Danny, right over here. Straight. You got it? I gotta focus on the left.
You don't have to call if you don't want to, I'm just saying. Sit there and little fucking sheep ass. Fucking horse shit.
Coming up behind you, Danny. Do what? Yeah. Alright, I'm coming to you.
Window, watch the window.
Hey.
So where you get? Oh,
Okay.
really?
Hold on.
One more time. Where's he at?
He's right here. One bunker ahead of me. Not to the right, straight. Hey, I'm gonna get up to Danny. Alright?
Alright.
Keep
One.
that right there.
2, 3, go.
Alright, I'm here. You good?
Yep.
You go low, I go high. I got him.
Good work.
One on the left, one left.
Maybe.
Good.
I think that's it.
Is that it?